Sam wasn't feeling well, so his mom said he had to go to the doctor's office. But Sam didn't remember what it was like to go to the doctor's office. Oh, hi! My name is B, like the letter B. And this is Mr. Butterfly, and we're reading a book. Do you know what color this book is? Yes, it's blue. Well, we are waiting for our friend Mayta to wake up from his nap. Do you know who Mayta is? Mayta is a brown bear who lives in this forest. I have an idea. Why don't we wake Mayta up from his nap, and together we can learn what it's like to go to the doctor's office. Mayta, are you up from your nap? Hey Mayta, where are you? It's Mayta. Did you have a good nap? Yes? Hey listen, we have a lot of friends here today, and together we are going to learn what it's like to go to the doctor's office. Would you like to do that? Yeah? Yes? Do you hear that? No? Listen harder. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. Whoa. All right. Thank you, idea train. Hey, Mayta, look at all the things in the box. Ooh. Okay, so let's put our box right here. Now, when you go to the doctor's office, you first will walk into the waiting room. Now your dad or mom will go sign you in, and then you'll come back and sit in some chairs. And you'll wait. And you'll wait. And you'll wait. But then the door will open and a nurse will come out. And he or she will say your name. Hey Mayta, we're ready for you. So you get up and you walk down the hallway, and the nurse may ask to take your weight. So you'll step on a scale and you'll find out how much you weigh. And then you'll go into another room. So you'll walk down the hallway into another room, and the nurse will take your vital signs. Do you know what that means? I'll tell you. First, they may ask to take your temperature with this. This is a thermometer. You see that, Mayta? May I take your temperature? Yeah? Okay. So, no running across your forehead. Woo. And oh, look at there. Mayta, you have a normal temperature. Okay, so let's put that thermometer right down there. And then the nurse may ask to take your blood pressure. You want to take your blood pressure, Mayta? Yeah? Okay. So they'll use this. It's a long piece of fabric with a little Velcro on it. They'll ask to take your arm, so I'll take your arm, Mayta, and they'll wrap it around your arm. Okay? And then they will use this to pump some air into it. Oh, it'll feel like a little hug on your arm. Then the weight, put this right side up. Okay, and perfect. Mayta, you have a normal blood pressure. So then they'll remove this from your arm. All right, so let's put this right here. Next, they may take your oxygen level. You want to know how they do that? Well, they use something like this. It's a little measuring machine, and you just stick out your finger and you put it right inside like that, and you wait. And then it beeps. Would you like to try? Yeah? Okay. So take your little finger, put it right inside, and we'll wait. Beep, beep. All right. Now it's beeped, and let's see. Oh, Mayta, you have a normal oxygen level. Okay, let's put that right here. And then the nurse will leave, and you will wait. Then you may wait for a little bit, and then you'll hear a knock on the door. And guess who it is? It's the doctor. The doctor will come in, and he or she may want to listen to your heartbeat. Do you want to know how they do that? Yeah? Okay. Well, they use this. This is a stethoscope. So they put it in their ears like this, and then they use this part to listen to your heartbeat. Mayta, can I listen to your heartbeat? Yes. All right. So I will put this right here and listen. And then the doctor may move it around a little bit to a couple of different spots on your chest. And then the doctor may listen to your heartbeat through your back. All right. So let's put this right over here. Now, the doctor may need to look inside your ears. Do you want to know how they do this, Mayta? Yeah? Okay. They use an otoscope. It looks like this. Now this little part goes inside your ear, and the doctor looks through this part. May I look in your ear, Mayta? Yeah? Okay. There we go. Put it in your ear, and then we look. Oh, Mayta. Perfect. You have very clean ears. So we will put this right here. You know what time it is? It's time to dance. This is where we stop what we're doing, stand up, and dance. You can do whatever dance move you feel like doing. Oh, look, it's the idea train. Oh, it's Pinky the Boombox. Hi, Pinky the Boombox. All right. See you later, idea train. Pinky the Boombox plays our music. We take this golden cassette tape and put it in here. Close that up. And then we push the button with the triangle on it, the play button. Are you ready to dance? Yes? I'm gonna push the play button now. Whoa, that was a lot of fun. All right, let's get back to what we were doing. The doctor may need to look inside your throat. They may ask you to do this. Can you do that? Nice. Mayta, can you do that? That's good. Sometimes they may need to use a tongue depressor. Do you know what a tongue depressor is? No? Well, when you go they put this inside your mouth and push down your tongue so they can see inside your throat. Mayta, can I look inside your throat? Yeah? All right. Good. You have a very healthy throat. Okay, so we'll put this right there. Wow, Mayta, you had a very good checkup. You are a very healthy little bear. Hey, thank you so much for spending your time with Mayta and learning about what it's like to go to the doctor's office. Parents, if your kids like this video, please subscribe. And until next time, see you later. Bye.